Yummy. Hello and welcome to a special edition of Camping and Cooking. My name is Torey and we're at the Oregon coast. We're gonna make some pork tacos, so let's go, shall we? Okay, so we have some pork roast left over from Easter. Okay, while the pork is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some radish. I think I'll just do one for now. I wish I had my chef's knife, but this pocket knife is really sharp, so it gets the job done. It's just tiny. Okay. I'm gonna add just a little bit of green tomatillo sauce. I just wanna not have this be so dry. Give it a little bit of flavor. I gotta turn this down a little bit more. Now I normally like to use corn tortillas with pork, but I have flour, so that's what I'm gonna use. I probably have too much meat, but that's okay. I'll get some butter. Gonna get some pepper jack. Turn this down. Let that melt. Let's give this a little taste. Crispy, but we're gonna put some stuff inside of it. Okay, let's get the next one. Let's turn the heat up a little bit. Get this nice and crispy. That is so good. I've got an avocado. Put a little crunchy radish. I'm gonna do a little bit of tomatillo sauce. Let's do a little salt and pepper on the avocado. Okay, taco number one. Okay. How's that for a pork taco? Let's give this a shot. I've got some fire sauce here from Taco Bell. We're gonna give that a shot. That is so good. The radish gives it that little crunch that you need. The pork is slightly dry, but I put some green sauce in there. This is perfect. This is a perfect addition. So comment below and let me know what your favorite toppings are for tacos. Got some chips too, because you can't have tacos without chips. And some nacho cheese. Now we're super fancy. Let's put my hair back because it's just everywhere. And they gave me a boatload of fire sauce I can add to my collection. Put this in the nacho cheese. The nacho cheese is cold. It doesn't really add any value to the tacos, but we'll put it on the chip. Thank you for joining me on a special edition of Camping and Cooking with me, Torey. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more content like this or camping videos, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.